Let's travel back in time 85 million years ago, when the skies were ruled by the most majestic flyers of the ancient world. Today, we meet one of the kings of the Cretaceous, the Pteranodon. Pteranodon, a giant of the late Cretaceous skies. With a wingspan reaching over 7 meters, it glides with effortless grace. Its long beak and elegant crest made it a true icon of the ancient world. With sharp eyesight, it scans the waters below. Gliding low over the surface, it skims the waves with its long beak, snatching a fish in one swift motion. A master of aerial precision, not a diver, but a skimmer. After a long flight, it lands on a warm seaside rock. Folding its wings, it begins to preen, cleaning and caring for its skin and wing fibers under the golden sun. Pteranodons were social creatures. They lived in colonies, especially during mating season. With calls and crest displays, they communicated and competed for mates, a prehistoric symphony of life. And as the day ends, they rise once more, soaring over glowing oceans into the prehistoric horizon. A living symbol of freedom and power in the skies of a lost world. Enjoyed this ancient adventure? Like the video, subscribe for more, and tell us which prehistoric creature you want to see next.